solving three simultaneous equations using matrix method. Alright, people. We're going to do this video in the Jamaican patois. Now, here. Suppose, hold on there. I make sure that the equipment up and running. Good. Suppose, some people will say, suppose and say, suppose you have x plus 2y minus z equal negative 10. All right, good. After that, you have another equation. This is equation 1. You have 3x minus y plus z equal 15. All right. So, we're going and going. Then you have next one. 2x plus 5y plus 3z equals 7. And we say, we want to use the matrix inverse method to do that. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take time and go through revising some part of the matrix inverse method. Let me assume, say, you require whole heap of revising when it comes to this. What you have to do, first of all, write in a matrix form. Write in matrix form. So you're going to write these things in a matrix form. You're going to have the matrix with the number. It's a 3 by 3 matrix. Number will multiply x are 1. Number will multiply y are 2. The number will multiply z are negative 1. We can see that. Remember, x mean 1x. Alright? 2y mean 2y. The next equation, equation 2, that have in 3x minus 1y plus 1z. And this say 2x plus 5y plus 3z. Alright. That multiply by x, y, z equal 1 now. That equal to negative 10, 15, 7. So you see that? Alright. Now the thing is, if you check here now, what you see is that 1 times x plus 2y my gosh, what am I doing? Alright, let me repeat just so. 1x after this plus 2y minus 1z equal negative 10. You see it? So it go. So if you multiply out these two matrices or so, equal all of this, you're going to get back what you have up top here. 3x minus 1y plus z equal 15. 2x for this plus 5y plus 3z equals 7. So you see. Alright. After that, you know, remember the argument. Just like, say, suppose you have 5 times, suppose you have 5 times x equal 15. what you're going to do is say x equal 15 over 5. That's the same thing as the inverse of 5 times 15. Same thing as 15 times inverse of 5. Remember, inverse of 5 means 1 over 5. That's the multiplicative inverse of 5. Now, you're going to use the same argument with the matrices. What you're going to do is say, this matrix, the x, y, z, equal, it would have been this matrix, negative 10, 15, 7, over 1 now. 1, 2, negative 1, 3, negative 1, 1, 2, 5, 3. You see the argument? But this now would that be the same thing as negative 10, 15, 7 times 1, 2, negative 1, 3, negative 1, 1, 2, 5, 3. Inverse. The inverse of this. You see? So whatever you have in the denominator, what you have under the bottom of the line. The inverse of that times what you have up top. Now, of course, you can see say this 3 by 1 matrix, you can multiply this 3 by 3 matrix up. So you're going to have to put the 1, 2, negative 1 and so on inverse to the left and the negative 10, 15, 7 to the right. You see what I'm saying? So we're going to rewrite it that way there and see how it go. Which are them things, yeah? Alright. So what you have is x, y, z equal 1, 2, negative 1, 3, negative 1, 1, 2, 5, 3. Inverse times what? Negative 10, 15, 7. So you see that? So that one they go. Alright. So the next thing what we have to do now, I have to invert this thing here. So inverse of this matrix, that is what we're going to have to find now. How that the one go? We're going to do cut off the recording right here, so I will continue in another recording.